Are you starting a new business and worried about GST? What is registrations, returns, notices, invoices? Don't worry. Give me a few minutes and I'll simplify so clearly that you will never fear GST compliance again. Let's begin. What is GST? GST is goods and service tax laid on sale of goods and services in India. Before GST, there were multiple taxes like VAT, excise, service tax. Now, everything is merged into one. Now, who needs GST registration? Not every business requires GST. Here's the basic rule. If you're dealing in goods and your yearly turnover crosses 40 lakhs, or if you're dealing in services and your turnover crosses 20 lakhs, you must register. But even with zero turnover, you must register if you sell online, you do interstate sales, you do export services or export goods, you want GST benefits like input tax credit, you need LUT for export. Most people see GST as a burden, but here are the actual benefits. You can sell anywhere in India or globally, required to sell on e-commerce platform, build business credibility, get input tax credit, helps open current accounts and get loans, required for government tender, needed for B2B businesses. Now these are the documents you will require: your KYC documents, business address proof and company documents. That's it. Now let's move on to GST return filing. There are three types of GST return filing. GSTR 1, 3B and 9. 1 and 3B are to be filed every month or quarter depending on your turnover and scheme. GSTR 9 is to be filed once in a year but only if it is applicable to you. GSTR 9 is only applicable when your turnover crosses 2 crores. Now what happens if you miss a return filing? You will attract heavy penalties of up to 50 rupees per day, followed by notices and GST cancellation. I am sure by now you must have got a clear picture of what is GST and what importance it holds. Now, how can FinUp help you? We help businesses with GST registration, monthly and quarterly return filing, LUT for exports, GST setup for e-commerce, GST notice handling, in short, full compliance support. If you also want a stress-free GST setup, call or message FinUp. If you want more insights like this, like, share and subscribe.